JEGS Blower Fans offer an efficient way to move high volumes of air in a relatively small package. They're able to ventilate large spaces and cool engines and other equipment more quickly than a traditional fan. Add the 4500 BTU heater attachment and use your portable blower fan to take the chill out of any environment. Log on to jegs.com today or call 1-800-345-4545. The most trusted name in automotive performance. One call gets it all. One click gets it quick.
JEGS.